Hey y'all, it's Denise, and I'm in the Five Art Studio this morning. It's Friday morning, and Friday is clay day for me. So I'm gonna head over to the Creative Academy studio across the lawn area and spend the day there. I still have the piece that I was working on in last week's video, the one that I gouged and sanded, but I haven't gone back to that this week because I've been working on clay, and I have several pieces. This is all in ceramic, and it is a copy of a piece that I actually did with painting, a mixed media piece. So that is what I've been working on a lot lately. And it's kind of hard to video that because I'm in another studio and there's a lot going on, so it's hard to do a video. I'll try today and see how that works out. But these pieces are for an upcoming show. Let me show you that, if I haven't already. It's two artists, two mediums, and my studio mate Susie Zoll and I are doing a show in May that is both our paintings and our clay work. So let me pick up this contraption and move you in here where you can see, if you remember last week when I was hanging this show, along with the art that is here, I have this piece and this piece, and I'm giving everybody a little peek of the ceramic pieces that I duplicated. Those two pieces on the end are right here, recreated in ceramics. And I've also taken some of my ceramic pots and duplicated them from ceramic pieces from pots that are in my art. So that has been really fun and challenging. And I'm loving how they are turning out. And they really tell a great story with the art that's on the wall. So some of these pots, I've recreated two of these pots. And one of these, actually two of these, I think I've created that bowl and that pot. And now I'm headed over to see how these pots are turning out in the kiln, or even if they went in the kiln while I was gone.
You froze.
I did. I froze for just a moment.
She's coming.
So just as a little background on the Arts District of Liberty Station, it's owned by the city of San Diego, and it's a former naval base. that's restaurants, art studios, there's a golf course, and the barracks have all been turned into studios and offices and restaurants. And let me take you on a little tour on my way to the clay studio. Okay, so this is walking into our barracks, and we have art studios, and then when you walk out, got a long corridors between the barracks. And then you come out onto the promenade. And yeah, those are barracks. Pretty fancy, pretty nice for a naval base. And they've done an awesome job of making this place just really family friendly, artist friendly. It's really quite a happening hub. And yeah, this is where I get to come to work. Pretty awesome. So it was a busy Friday in the studio today, in the Creative Academy studio where I go to do the clay. And so it was really hard to video and have voicing, being able to talk. So I'm just going to show you a little bit of what I worked on. I made 3 vases today with using black clay, and then over the black clay I painted on, or I brushed on, 3 coats of a white porcelain slip. So in doing that, I was able to carve through the white slip and expose the black plaster on a few of these pieces. And then I went in just for a little bit of added kind of bling-ish. I took some wire and used the wire added the wire into the pieces. So it looked like one of the pieces was stitched together and the other one has a piece of already fired ceramic held in by the wire. So it's kind of a spontaneous, creative thing, and that is what happens when we're in the clay studio. Being new at doing clay, it's kind of easy to experiment because we don't really know what we're doing, but we're really having fun doing it and learning about it, and yeah, it's pretty fun. Bye.